In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice on ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your conversations sound the way you want. First, open your browser and head to chatgpt.com. Sign into your account the way you normally do. Give the page a moment to load fully so the sidebar and settings are available. If you're using a smaller screen, you might need to expand the sidebar to see all the options. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile name or initial there. This is your account menu, and it's where you'll find key controls. Click it to open the menu. If you don't immediately spot it, hover your mouse near the lower left edge of the sidebar. It's usually right above the app version and below your chat list. From that menu, click Settings. A settings panel will open, typically in the middle or right side of your screen. You may also notice a small gear icon that indicates you're in the right place. Take a second to let the panel load so all categories appear. Inside the settings panel, navigate to the voice section. Depending on your layout, you might see it as an item in a left-hand list or as a tab near the top. The voice area controls which voice ChatGPT uses in voice conversations and may also affect how previews sound when you test options. Now look for the drop-down menu next to voice. Click the drop-down to reveal the available voices. You'll usually see a set of distinct options, each with its own tone, pacing, and style. Pick the one that matches the vibe you prefer, whether that's upbeat and energetic or calm and neutral. Many interfaces apply your choice automatically, so you won't need to hit save. If you do see a save or apply button, go ahead and confirm your selection. Once you've chosen a voice, you can close the settings panel. Your new voice preference will be used the next time you start a voice conversation. Text chats won't change, but whenever you switch to voice, you'll hear the option you selected. You can come back to the same voice setting anytime to try different choices and fine tune what works best for you. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your profile menu, go to settings, navigate to voice, and pick a new voice from the dropdown. Simple, quick, and easy to adjust whenever your preferences change.